Ever pondered about the impact of artificial intelligence on the accounting profession? Well, it is a question that has been causing a stir in the accounting world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries across the board, and accounting is no exception. AI's ability to automate routine tasks, such as data entry, reconciliation, and repetitive calculations, is reshaping the landscape of accounting. While this does streamline processes, it also removes what many consider entry-level accounting work. That's the first significant shift. The second shift is the move from compliance to insight. With AI ensuring accuracy, accountants can step away from being rule checkers and evolve into true advisors. The third shift is the increased demand for data expertise. AI algorithms thrive on clean, comprehensive data, so accountants who can manage, interpret, and ensure data quality become an essential part of the AI equation. And finally, the ethical implications. AI can introduce bias, lack transparency, and even pose job displacement concerns. This means accountants need to think critically about AI use. So you might ask, what are the necessary skills for accountants to adapt to these changes? Firstly, data analysis and storytelling. Accountants must now extract insights from vast data sets, spot trends that are invisible to the untrained eye, and communicate these findings to guide strategy. Secondly, critical thinking and strategic advisory. This means moving from reporting the past to proactively using AI-provided insights to drive future business decisions. It's not just about knowing what the data means, but understanding why it's important. Thirdly, technology acumen. Being proficient with accounting software is foundational, but staying ahead means exploring emerging AI tools, understanding cloud ecosystems, and being comfortable adapting to a changing tech landscape. Then there are the soft skills. AI can crunch numbers, but clients desire relationships. Communication, collaboration, and empathy become just as vital as financial expertise. Lastly, understanding AI limitations and biases. As protectors of financial integrity, accountants should question algorithms, understand their limitations, and safeguard against the risks of over-reliance on AI. How do we develop these skills, you might ask? Tailoring the message, engaging in real-world projects, showcasing success stories, and fostering mentorship and community can be incredibly effective strategies. But here's the kicker, the key message we want to emphasize. It's not AI versus accountant, it's AI with accountant. This message reframes the narrative. AI is not here to replace skills, but rather as a tool empowering accountants to reach their full potential as strategic, high-value contributors to any organization. So next time you ponder on AI's impact, remember, it's not about competition, but rather collaboration. It's not about being replaced, but being empowered. And it's not about fear, but about embracing the future with an open mind and adaptable skills.